Hello.
Hello, good evening, Hari.
Good evening, Mr. Mansur. How are you?
Good, how are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm also good. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
So today we will start with the calendars.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm just going to continue with the blank project. See, this is what I'm telling. Normally, new tasks are created in manually scheduled mode.
Mm-hmm.
So now, if you want to change or create some calendars, na? So where you're supposed to go? You're supposed to go to project, and then you're
Mm-hmm.
supposed to go to change work time. Okay, so
Okay.
project menu, properties section, change work time.
Mm-hmm.
So you click that. Once you click that, you can able to see this kind of a window. And here you are available with the three standard calendar. So one is like
Yes.
normal 8 to 5 p.m. That is what
Mm-hmm.
standard calendar. So in between 12 to 1, we also have break.
Yes.
Okay. And also another one, 24 hour, which means like 24 cross 7. So 12 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Yes.
Means 12 a.m. to the next day 12 a.m. continuously.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And the night shift, see, night shift we have 12 to 3 a.m. and then in between 1 hour break, 4 to 8 a.m. and then there is some break, something like that. So we are having this kind of working hours for night shift.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. So by default, we will be having standard project calendar. Okay. See, here
Yes.
you are having the legend, like working, non-working, editor working, hour, exceptions, everything. Na?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so through this legend, we can able to see like what is they actually like any exception if it is having blue color.
Yes.
Okay, so now we can't we can able to modify the standard calendar directly, but it is not like advisable. So you can just go for
Yes.
create new calendar,
Mm-hmm.
and where you can just put your own name. For example, UAE calendar I'm putting.
Yes.
Okay, and then make a copy of create a new base calendar. We can start with a new base calendar, or you can able to
Mm-hmm.
create a copy of the existing standard calendars.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to take a copy of standard calendar and then click OK.
Yes.
See, now we are having 4 calendars.
Yes.
Now this UAE calendar, now these things like we can able to modify.
Mm-hmm.
See, by default, we will be having 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This option, do you remember in backstage view, we are dealing with the options. Now the same it will come.
Yes.
Click here also. See, the same thing.
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to change, then you can change. Otherwise, no need to worry about that, and we can continue with the standard things. But here, like a UAE calendar, like Friday, Saturday holiday, na? Otherwise, some
Yes.
only Friday holiday.
Yes.
Okay, so in that case, how to modify these details, we will see.
Mm-hmm.
So here we have exception and also work week. In work week, we are having one default, and I'm just going for details.
Yes.
Okay, so here for work week, you can able to do the changes.
Mm-hmm.
So Sunday, this is like a use project default time for these days. So what we can do, so UAE Sunday is a working day, right? So we can
Yes.
just put
Yes.
the date to the specific working times.
Mm-hmm.
So we can just put 8 to 12, 12 p.m. and then 1 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for Sunday.
Yes.
So Monday, it's automatically coming. Use project default.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So until Thursday, it is like that. So Friday, we can put to non-working day.
Yes.
Okay, or you can put Saturday also non-working. So you want Saturday also non-working or working?
Yes. Non-working.
Okay, non-working we can put. So
Yes.
you click OK. So once you click OK, you can able to see the color changes here. So based on the legend,
Mm-hmm.
Friday and Saturday is non-working.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so like this. So this is only for the work week. This is like a standard. There is no limits. So this is like a
Yes.
continuously all over the calendar, Friday, Saturday, holiday.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, but we can able to put some exceptions also. Then we can able to
Mm-hmm.
put the dates.
Yeah.
So is there any like specific date? So it's never going to change all over the year. Any like national holidays, like any specific month, any specific days you have only one you say, for example.
Yeah, I mean there is Eid, but Eid is changeable, so
Eid is
it depends
changeable.
on moon site. Yeah.
Hmm.
So let's say the National Day. National Day is so it begins with Martyrs Day, which is on 30 November.
1 minute. So I'm putting National Day. This is
Yeah.
like exceptional. So National Day, we
Yes.
can put UAE National Day.
Yeah.
Okay. So when it is going to start?
So it will start 30 November.
So then you can just move to November and then 13. Huh?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So 30 November.
And then it ends on 2nd December.
So it is like constant everywhere, every
Yes.
year.
Yeah, every year, same date.
Okay. So in that case, like we can able to see the things here.
Yeah.
So I put the 30 November and then this one. Huh? So we can able to see
Yeah.
this in the blue color, which means exception.
Yes.
See
And
1
same
and
with
2
the
also.
December. Mm.
Uh, so
Okay.
like this, you can able to put exception. See, but we are going to
Yes.
start from 2021, and here we can able to choose or we can able to put the date
Mm.
or so this one, like you put so so you can just double click it. So double click
Mm-hmm.
it, and you will be getting this details window. And here I can able to choose
Yeah.
whether it is non-working or working. Okay,
Yes.
sometimes exception we can able to put. Even we can able to put to working time, and we can able to choose only for 4 hours, something like that. Even that is an exception.
Mm-hmm.
But now I am just
Yes.
going to create a non-working exception. Okay, so this one I'm just going for recurrence pattern every year.
Yes.
On November 30th will
Okay.
start, and
Yeah.
then like end after 3 occurrences. Na? So automatically it is coming.
Yes.
Or we can just put the here. Or we can just last of last
Yeah. I think this one can be used for Thanksgiving, which is usually the last weekend of November.
Oh, okay. So like that we
It's
can able to put. But here, like
mm,
I'm trying to put from this state to this state. Na? So end by
mm,
this one like start on November 30th and then end
mm.
by I'm just going to choose. But if you are putting like this in between the dates also, it will be like non-working.
Yes.
Um, so that's why only one day we can able to put like it is like otherwise you can put like this, na? Which means recurrence pattern. For recurrence pattern, so
Yes.
so now
No,
this
but here I think it's yeah, but here I think it ends by like how many years is this project
see for
going on?
example, no. This is like finish in the sense like for example, if you are you are
Mm.
considering UAE National Day for only 30th November, okay.
Yes.
So
Mm-hmm.
every year it is going to occur on 30th November. On 30th
Mm-hmm.
November. So what we can put
Yes.
in, so we can able to put some occurrences, so some 100 occurrences. So it will
Mm-hmm.
automatically like end after 100 years, which is 2031.
Mm-hmm.
So that is what it is. So after like 100 occurrences, click OK. So can you able to see here like it is coming as 2120. So 100 years, not
Yes.
120. Yeah.
Mm.
So this is what exception, and we can able to put the recurrence also, and then so based on that, see next year November also it will be like automatically holiday.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So if
Exactly.
you want like even for the next days also we can put. So it's compulsion like every year like from 31 to 3 days holiday.
Yes.
Then we can just choose here, no problem. December 1, no, December 1, national holiday. So first December 20 yearly on December 1, I am putting same 100 year. Okay, and again we can just copy and paste for national holiday. But this time here I'm just going for second.
Mm-hmm.
So again I'm just going for occurrence. So check whether it is non-working or sometimes. Okay, and then click OK.
Mm-hmm.
It should like to go for year.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this is what we are expecting, na? So now every year, like we will check for the 2022. See, automatically these 3 days are exceptions.
Yes.
Okay, so like this, we can able to just put exception work weeks, and then we can able to create our calendar. So it will be available here in this drop down. And when this drop like calendar use, like we can able to make use of this calendar to any project, and we can able to just make use of this calendar to any task, individual task. Normally task prefer to take project calendar, or even you can able to like specify some particular calendar to a particular task.
Got it.
So this is what the calendar. Then when you are applying for project, then it becomes project calendar. When you are applying this to task, then it will become a task calendar. When you are applying this to a resource, then it will become resource calendar. Like that, it will be the calendar. It is normal, but whenever you are applying to different things, then it takes the name. Okay, now I'm just going to click OK. So if you're not clicking OK and closing, it won't save. So you're supposed to click OK. Then only after, if you are opening, it will be there. See, from UAE calendar. Yeah, so you're supposed to click OK and then don't cancel. Otherwise, everything it will be like it's never saved.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So here in this window, we have here I have told you this is like a view bar,
Yes.
different views like we can able to choose from here. So this is actually the view bar.
Yes.
Okay, so this is like a Gantt table and in the chart. Gantt table and Gantt chart. And here in this Gantt chart, like we can able to see the time scale. Okay, so this you can able to scroll and you can able to see.
Yes.
But there is another shortcut for this. You need to hold Alt key in your keyboard, and then you need to use the left and right arrow. If I am just clicking Alt and then left, can you able to see like moving backward? And then Alt and then right, then moving forward.
So it's Alt E or Alt left?
No, just Alt key and then like a left arrow or right arrow. These two combination.
Okay. So Alt and then left arrow.
Without Alt, if you're trying, it won't go. It will only applicable for the cells.
Yes.
But when you are clicking Alt and then it is applicable for the Gantt chart. So this is so you can take note of it. We will discuss lots of shortcuts since it is like Microsoft product.
Oh, yeah, I love shortcuts.
Yeah, everyone.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
You can take note of it if you want.
Yeah, I'm writing it here. Okay.
Okay. Now we have created a calendar. Then if you want to use that particular calendar for the existing project or the new project, then you need to go to project.
Okay.
And then project information. And here you can able to choose the calendar.
Okay.
So this also you can take note of it. So project menu and then properties, tools, project information, and here in calendar you can choose. So now this project going to like utilize UAE calendar.
Yep, got it.
Okay, so now do you remember like how to view the calendar? See, from here you right click.
Right click. Yes.
And then you can just go for calendar. So you can able to see like little
Fridays and Saturdays.
Friday, Saturday, holiday, and we can able to. If you're having task here, then it will display. Now we don't have anything. Now that's why it is blank. Okay. So if you want to try yourself for creating calendars.
Yes.
Okay. So you take your time and you create, and then let me know once you complete.
So you mean should I create a new calendar like the one you created?
Yeah, better it will be. So you can share your screen, but there is an issue now.
Yeah, I will. I think it is disabled from your side. So
1 minute.
If you will allow me.
Okay. Now it's. You can try now. I allowed.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So I will do it a little different.
See, here also I will tell you another shortcut. See, what you can do means like you have select day, na? From where you can select from Sunday, hold shift key, and then until the
Yes.
Thursday. So directly you can choose the third option. Only
Yes.
one time you can put. Otherwise, it's difficult to enter again and again.
Yes. I got it.
Now you
All
check
right,
Friday
so
and
now,
Saturday also. Hold both and
yeah.
then put to second option. Nice. Because it is like choosing the same date, nah, that's why it's confused. So double click and you
Yeah.
can.
Okay. So this should be. Okay. So this should be 12 to 21 yearly. Okay. Oh my god. So you saw what happened, right?
Yeah, I think there is a problem in the computer or a problem in the software.
Exactly. So I will do it again, no problem. But I got the idea, so
Yeah, good.
I got the idea. I'm putting the working hours, like my working hours.
Yeah, I understood. But without
Yeah.
any break, you people working.
Yeah, I mean, you can take break on your own risk.
Oh,
No, I mean, it's not a big day. I mean, it's not a big deal.
oh,
Yeah. So this is 11, and then day 1. This one is first, and then this one is day 2. Okay, now I can change, right? So now it's yearly. It will occur 100 times. Yearly 100 times. Okay, already put exception there. Okay. Yeah, خلاص, that's it. Now we can apply this rule. Then choose UAE calendar. Let's check. Okay. So I think there is something wrong here, but I will check.
no, it's perfect.
Oh, it's perfect. Yeah. No, because I saw that the color was a little
No,
different.
because
Yeah.
of the option that you
Yeah.
have chosen. Okay, no problem. Because any variation there, na, that's more than enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So back to your screen.
Yeah. I think you still not stopped. You're supposed to stop sharing.
Okay. Stop sharing. Yes.
So now we can start with the task, creation of task. So task is an activity performed to achieve the required work and its basic unit of any project. Okay. For example, laying footing. So how many days we can give? Some 4 to 5 days. This is a task for a particular project. So residential project. In that project, laying foundation is a particular task going to have a 5 days duration. Okay, like that, the task will be.
Yes.
So you will spend much of your time in project adding and modifying the task only.
Yes, that's what I do.
Yeah. In this
All the
section,
time.
so we will see like how to enter the project task, and we can able to like create milestones. Okay. So
Yeah, this is one thing I need to re-clarify. This is one of the things I forgot since I joined service and came back now. Yeah, this milestone thing, and see, for for your managers or your head of department, the main thing for them, the main product they're looking for is Gantt chart.
Yeah.
If you have a nice looking Gantt chart with with details and colors and stuff, they will like you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, because you will make it much easier for them, because
Yeah.
they usually they are very lazy. The big bosses, they are very lazy, and they only want to see pictures.
Yeah. Okay. So now I will tell you how to create task and what are the tasks we can able to create. We will see. Okay.
Yes.
So now I'm just going for a task name. For example, I'm just going to create a start of a project. Okay, so automatically it is taking manually scheduled. Because we are in a manually scheduled mode.
Yes.
Okay, if you want to change that, you can just click here and you can put auto schedule. It's up to you.
No, it's for me
and
everything
then
is
I'm
manually.
just going to have a what to say, and then I'm just going to have a, for example, foundation. So foundation is the one. So I'm just going to consider this as a summary. Okay, and then I'm just going to have a site cleaning. Okay, and then I'm just going for excavation, and then like laying foundation, and then we can just go for backfilling like that, na?
Yes.
Okay, so even in the laying foundation, again we can able to put a. So if you want to insert something, you can just right click here and then insert task. So the new task it will.
Yeah.
Okay, so here like a new task, it is automatically coming. For example, I'm putting task 1. So task 2 like that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do means like see, for start of project, I'm just going to consider as a milestone. So milestone is something having 0 duration.
Okay.
So you're supposed to put a 0, and then we can able to see how it is going to like look here. So unless otherwise you put duration, it won't be reflected in the Gantt chart. When I'm putting 0,
so milestone duration is 0.
So milestone activities should be 0 duration, because like other program, we don't have like a specific tool for milestone. So we supposed to consider the same task for milestone by putting 0 duration. So then you will get the diamond icon. So whenever there's a diamond icon, then we can say it's a milestone.
That's milestone.
Milestone task. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now for foundation, I'm just going to this foundation. This is like a summary, na? No need to put anything. So this duration going to depend on the below activities or task. So site cleaning, I'm just going to put a 2. So when I'm directly putting 2, it is taking 2 days because of the setting that we have in options that we had discussed before.
Yeah.
Okay. And then excavation, I'm just going for another some 4. So laying foundation, again, I'm just going to take some 2 weeks. And then, so the laying foundation also depends on the task below.
Yes.
Okay. So backfilling, I'm just going to put 3 days.
So now you will do predecessors as well, yeah?
Now we can just go for relationships and everything. Okay, but there is a shortcut actually. See, you can directly select everything, and here there is something called Control F2. So Control F2 for linking the task. So it will automatically, by default, it will just move everything to finish to start relationship. So you hold Control and then F2. Can you see? Like by default, it will take finish to start, and it's easy for you now. See, now automatically it is considering 1 day question mark. Why? Because we didn't put any days, na? So it is automatically considering 1 day question mark, which means like we never put any duration for that. It is automatically considering 1 day and with question mark. So it is like telling us like this we never put any duration for that. Okay. Okay. Now what we can do means like this site cleaning and then excavation I'm holding. And what you can do means you can just move this indent alt shift right, or you can use this icon.
Yes.
So you can just click. So no need to remember all the shortcut, but if you want shortcut, alt shift right. See, then automatically it is considering the after the like auto schedule, then this it will become normal. Okay. And then laying foundation. So laying foundation, again, I'm just going to put the inside. And for this task, again, I'm just going to make inside and inside. So it will automatically going inside the laying foundation.
Yes.
So backfilling inside the foundation, not a separate one. So I'm just going to put inside the foundation. Okay, so now we can able to just minimize everything. So when you're minimizing foundation, whole it is just minimizing. It should be like this.
Yes.
Now based on the manual schedule, like start date automatically okay, anyway based on the link, it is just considering the date, month, date, and then year.
Yes.
See here the predecessor automatically considering the number. So if you want to put predecessor, you need to consider this number. Okay. Now okay, so everything is like properly having. See, even the colors and everything automatically coming. Even you can able to customize these things, bars and everything.
Yes.
Okay, so here you can able to minimize also if you want. See minus plus. Okay. Okay, but as a whole, we need summary, but we don't have any summary until now. What I can do is just click this and then go here in format menu. You have an insert option. You can just go for summary. So as a whole, we are getting a summary also. So summary means like we can put a residential project.
Yes. Something. So it's like the project name, the project title.
Project title. Okay, when you're clicking this, like automatically all together, it will go inside. In that case, like you need to put everything inside the
residential. Yes.
So you can make use of this indent option, left indent, right indent. Okay. See now because of that, like it is automatically became auto schedule. This is like icon for auto schedule, but this icon, this in manual schedule.
For manual schedule, yes.
Okay. And even again the shortcut for Control Shift M. See this one, Control Shift M, manual schedule. Control Shift A, auto schedule.
Yes.
So what now we can do means like now we can just make the whole project to auto schedule, or you can just select everything. Control Shift A. So now it will become auto schedule. So no need to like manually update. So whenever you are changing anything, it will automatically update. Okay, that is what the difference.
Yes.
Now the question mark and everything also gone. Can you able to see that?
Yes.
Because of the auto schedule.
Yes.
And again that you can able to select from here also.
Yeah.
See, but normally in Excel, you can just double click and you can able to type, but here, if you want to edit something, what you can do? So you can just double click. See, sometimes it is coming, or you can just go for F2, right?
Yes. Yeah, that's what I do usually.
F2, good.
Yeah.
See, to activate this, you can put for Alt, so then you can able to see the number. You completely can work with shortcut for this kind of Microsoft program. See, when you click Alt, it is showing a number. For example, if you want to go for saving, Alt 1. So Alt 1 for saving. The shortcut you can able to remember just like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so these things are normal, Okay. And we can able to make some task as inactive. For example, I considering this task to be inactive. So you can just select that particular task and then you can just click inactive. So inactive task remain in the project, but no longer affect the schedule. So it won't affect the schedule or resource availabilities.
Okay.
So it will be like a strikeout. It will automatically strike out of the project. Okay. Again, if you want to make it active, what we can do? Again, you can just click the same.
Yes.
The same for active and inactive. Yeah. Okay. So before 23 or 25? I think 23, no? 23.
Yeah, 23, yes.
Okay. But apart from finish to start relationship, if you want to change how you will do, you can just double click. Once you click double click, then you are available with the task information. And from there, you can just go for predecessor, and where you can able to see the types. Okay. So we don't have any predecessor for this, na? So success is only we have. So then we can just go here, and then we can able to see the predecessor. See, from here you can choose any of this 4 option: finish to start, start to start, finish to finish, start to finish. And lags and leads we can able to put. Lag in the sense that a delay. Lead in the sense that like we are like leading the project like but by particular date.
Yes.
So in that case, you need to put -2 for lead. So negative lags are also called lead.
Yeah, can you repeat that again?
Because now
or give me the example.
Okay, for example, I'm just going to put a site cleaning. Site cleaning, there is a delay. So in that case, you can just put a 1 minute. So see, otherwise what we can do for relationship, you can just double click the arrow here. Okay, so site cleaning, just double click. So you will get the task dependency. And here you can just change like, okay, so I am just going to put the 1 day delay and then click OK. So then totally like auto schedule, automatically updating 24 days.
Yes.
But I'm just going to backfilling. Again, don't double click here. And if you want, you can just double click the arrow over there. And I'm just going to put -1. It is going to complete in 2 days. That's why I'm putting lag. Minus lag.
Okay.
Means lead. So again, it will become 23.
Yes.
So can you able to see the predecessor? Even you can type like this: 8 first means 8 finish to start.
Finish to start.
And then -1 or +1 depends on the leads and lags.
Yes.
Minus means lead, minus means lead, and then plus means lag. Okay. Okay, for example, if you want to split some task, see here you have this is unlinking, unlinking. So split task is one. So if you need to work on a task on different dates, you can split the task. So click split task and then click the taskbar you want to split. You can then drag the split pieces to the new date. So you click and then you can click to insert split on the task. So you can click somewhere. So automatically it is splitting and then you can adjust accordingly.
Okay, so now you will put new dates for the split one?
We will see that how to do.
Okay.
So which means like automatically we can able to see the dates, end dates going to vary. See, I'm just changing now. Automatically, like it became, even though this becomes automatically the list.
Yes.
So select this and then select some way, and you can able to change that. So you can able to just pull that. So then we can able to see the changes.
Yes.
So yes, you can just manage.
Fantastic. So this is like for one task, and if there it is, so the one task is divided into 2 with separate times. You should use separate split task. Yes.
The same task, but we are going to hold on some time in between due to some circumstances. Then we are going to like release back.
Yes. This is something new to the island.
Yeah, good.
I mean, too many new things are doing here, but most of the stuff from yesterday and today is it's kind of, but now I'm learning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. See, now normally it won't show the critical path. So now everything is blue. Critical in the sense it will be in red color. Okay, so to see the critical path, what you should do, then you need to go to format. And then here
then
task style, and you need to select the critical task.
Yes.
Okay, this thing. And if you want to display the slack also, slack in the sense float. So total float and then free float, total slack and free slack. Totally, we have two kind of slacks. Okay. This
so what is the difference between float and?
I will show you with one example, that float and. Okay. Now I will show here slack, but we don't have any slack here. But we're supposed to have some example so that we can able to see the slack. So I will tell you what the slack actually is with a good example. Okay. Now you know how to click on the switch on the critical task.
So critical task is the same as critical path?
Yeah, critical path.
Yes.
Now for
but I need to understand the float thing, because I know it's a concept in PMP.
Yeah.
But I completely forgot about it.
Okay, so in that case, like today itself, we will see what it is. So I will just save this. So if you want to save, Control S, and then you can just go to some folder, MS project files, and I will just save this residential project. So today date I will put, and then click OK, save. Okay, now I'm just going to close it. So again, I'm just going to consider blank project. See, now I'm just going to show you with an example in Excel. So this is what the example. Here we have 5 activities, and we also have predecessor and also the duration. Okay, so this we can just directly copy and paste also, since we have like both in Microsoft. Okay. And then even the duration also Control C and then Control V.
Yes.
Okay, but predecessor, even that also we can put, but here the number na. So what we can do means number. So A and then B and C and then D. So here like we need to put 1, which means predecessor 1, and then 1, 2, comma 3.
2, 3, and then 4.
4. Okay. So which means D, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now in this, like we can able to see the float, because we are going to have a one total slack and then free slack. So auto schedule, I'm just going for a format, critical task, and slack. See, can you able to see like only one? It is like non-critical activity or non-critical task. So task B, it is non-critical. So no need to worry about that. So because it is going to have one slack. So can you able to see the slack symbol?
Yeah, but why is it not important?
Because like it is like not important in the sense we can able to delay that particular non-critical task up to the float, up to that slack. So what we can do means we can just see, double click here, and I can able to put a 1 day lag. So it will become critical. This is what like concept of a slack. Okay. Anyway, I will again tell you how to calculate this manually, because computer is automatically giving you the solution, and we can able to see the slack also. But manually how to calculate, I will tell you. So this is what like a network diagram, na? So the template for the network diagram I have shown here. So activity duration in the middle, A and 5, and yearly start, yearly finish in the top row, late start and late finish in the next row. Okay, now based on the duration, we will calculate the yearly start. So we will start with 0 duration and end with the 5 days duration. And after this 5, it will carry forward to the next 2 successes. And again, 5 plus 3, 8, and then 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, again from here, like you need to choose only the longest one, so not 8. So you should carry forward 9 here. So 9 plus 2, 11. So 11, 11 plus 3, 14. Okay, this is like yearly start, yearly finish calculation completed. Now again, I'm just going to consider like the same 14 here. So we need to put minus. Now we put add for yearly start, yearly finish. Now we need to put the minus for late start, late finish. So 14, 14 minus 3, 11. And 11, 11 minus 2, 9. So 9, it will carry forward, carry backward. So 9, so 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 4, 5. And again 5 minus 5, 0. Automatically it should be 0 here. Now how to calculate total float and free float? This is the formula. See, here I have one box now. So total float equal to last, which means LF minus EF, late finish minus yearly finish. And again, we can able to calculate total float based on the late start minus yearly start. Both it will be same. For example, 5 minus 5, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. So 9 minus 8, 1, 6 minus 5, 1. The same. But free float is different. Free float is yearly start of the successor activity minus yearly finish of the current activity. So that's why 9 minus 8, 1 here. So 9, so M7 minus K5. So that's why become free float. So that's why free float in the sense, it is going to affect only the successor activity for the particular day. But total float in the sense, it will affect the whole project.
Well, okay, so yeah, I just need you to slow down a little bit, Harry. Can you say so? So let's say let's begin with start float. So start float is LS minus ES. So late start minus early start, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So late start minus early start. So 11, 9, 5, 6. Okay. Then that's start float, right? Okay. So start float indicates what?
No, which means like here, like start float is not the right term. It is like calculating like a total float. So where if you are considering only the start dates, I am putting start float. There is no term like start float, but only for easy understanding, start float in the sense total float, where we are going to consider only the start dates.
Okay, and then finish float.
Finish float, it is also the total float. So where we are going to consider finish dates. See, LF minus EF, so 9 minus 8, like that.
Yes. Okay, and so what does that indicate? The finish float?
No,
in the project.
No, which means like in the project, like finish. No, in the project we need to consider only the total float. For total float, we can have two options to calculate. So normally in any project, so total float in the sense like something, it is going to affect the whole project. So if it is like a 2 day, we can able to delay that particular task only for 2 days. If you're delaying like 4 day, then the whole project, the end date will be delayed by 2 days.
Okay.
This is what it is.
Okay, and free float doesn't affect anything, right?
No, free float, it will affect only the immediate successor normally.
Okay. See this concept, yeah. I will review this again.
Okay.
By tomorrow, yeah, because I mean I need to read into this a little bit.
Okay.
And I need to draw the network diagram again.
Then you will came to understand.
Yeah. So okay.
See, that's why here we are having both the total float and free float as one only. See, that's why we have.
Yes.
So, for example, here I am just putting some more lags. So we can able to delay that particular task to 1 day. I am just going to put like 2 day. We will see how it will be. So the project end date will be 29. Or see, because see now automatically, because this is what like the free float concept. Otherwise, like it is automatically pushing the other to non-critical. Now here we have like slack of. So this one here you can put now column.
Okay.
So we can put free slack column.
And then, it will show you.
And then total slack.
Yes.
See now the next task it automatically became. That's why based on that. Because of the 2 day delay. If you're putting again 4. So again the next task. Because B and C, like both this A act having both successes. That's why the problem. Okay. So we can put 0, then automatically we can able to see the thing.
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to see the network diagram, how you can just go here and then network diagram. We can able to see the network diagram.
Nice.
So again, I'm just going back to Gantt chart. So these are all the things we should remember. Okay, so today we have seen like calendars and how to input a task and how to put the like how to like modify task and so many things we have seen. So just kindly
Yes.
refresh this and then come back for the next day class.
Yeah, which is tomorrow again. Yeah,
Yeah.
but I think I need to refresh on on this like the Slack and the float, and I know I have taken it in college and I have taken it in PMP contact hours. But it has been a long time since it has been 16 months since I have spoken English to someone.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
because
understood what you
in
mean.
service,
Yeah.
everything was in Arabic, even letters, everything. So
Yeah.
yeah, I mean the memos, everything was in Arabic. So yeah, so I need to, yeah, definitely. I just put that note with me now. I also took a screenshot of the network diagram you just showed me earlier on Excel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, let me just review the concept. So tomorrow when I meet, I have some understanding, or maybe just a question or two, just to remove the confusion in my mind.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah. Yes. So yep. So I think we can conclude now, right? We have 3 minutes.
I think. Yeah. Now.
All
We
right.
can go to
Yeah.
the session.
But Harry, what do you think? On like on this course, do you think how many hours are required to master this thing?
No, actually, like it's enough. Like 24 to 30 hours is enough. If you are completely new, then 30 hours. Then if you are already knowing little, means 24 hours, 20 to 24 hours is more than enough. Yeah.
Okay. Fantastic. Yeah, because according to the schedule, we are doing on Fridays 2 hours, and then on Saturdays we are doing 3 hours.
Yeah.
And then Monday to Thursday we are doing 1 hour, evening.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think 20 to 24 will be enough. But
Enough.
yeah, but what do you think? What concepts should I review? Like regarding PMP, to be able to effectively use this software MS project.
No, PMP is
Other
different.
than float.
No. Normally, like PMP means like you need to like refer the big book, Pinbock book.
Yeah.
That is totally different because I never like use that book also because I am teaching and I know the software, but I never like attend PMP exam. That's why I can't able to conclude anything for you. But it's good actually if you know the softwares also. With PMP certification, with this kind of certifications, like you will be on top because you know the software knowledge and also PMP certified.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's my goal. That's my end goal.
Yeah.
By end of this year, or and then next year, inshallah, if I got the promotion.
Oh.
So yeah, because I don't want to be lazy and like idiot. Just sitting there saying I am project manager, and because this is my country,
Yeah.
I don't want to sit like this. At least I want to have the the technological expertise as well. So
Yeah,
if if someone cannot do something, I can intervene. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So for me today, I think it was very useful, and so the only thing I will just try to read and try to more, to understand this free float and Slack concept. But I think other than that, inshallah, we are on good path.
Okay, that's great.
All right. All right. Thank you, Harry. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Yeah, thank you too. See you.
See you.